What's up, y'all? I had to stop and start it, restart it over. For some reason, it was buffering. But I went through my trades. I went through the stocks. Before I do anything, let me add. I'm gonna add Coinbase to my watch list. It debuted today. It was just IPO, so I know that's gonna be heavily traded. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. They were anticipating a $250 price target on Coinbase. Right now it's at $333. It hit a high of almost $430. So that was a successful initial public offering for Coinbase. And those who were invested in it early, I think Nas may have made $100 million today. He's been invested in Coinbase since 2013. So congratulations to him on that. I'm looking at potential trades today, and let's see the AMD. I'm looking at AMD. I'm looking at Intel. And KLA. I'll pass on that. All my trades were winners today. Excuse me. So the trades that I took yesterday, they were all winners. So I was in Amazon, SPY, and Disney. Disney, I made him okay, let me go to the contract. Disney, I made a mistake and typed in the wrong sell price. I meant to type in 3.00, should have been $300, and for some reason I typed in a 2. So it got me out at 2. But I could have got out at 3. It hit 370. Amazon. I did 100% on Amazon. Remember, I was in the 32.90. Got out at 8 something. 800 and something. It's at 1,000 now. And SPY doubled up on as well. I was in the 412 put that expires today. 412 put. It hit a high of 287. I got out at. I got in at $60-something. So those 3 trades were winners. still in the SNDL, which SNDL went back down. So this trade right now is a loser, which only had $70 in it. I got into this trade based on the weekly signal, and it's not panning out. So let's see. I'm looking at Intel. Probably that 64.50 contract. 2,000 contracts traded. AMD. I don't really like the AMD formation. When I say formation and stuff like that, it's just certain, patterns and price patterns, I should say, that I've kind of trained my eye to see. Sometimes it just makes me to go ahead and forego a trade based on what it's looking like. But as for that Amazon trade, remember I told you there was a particular pattern that I saw in the price that I hadn't seen in a while, and it was giving me a favorable price movement or a favorable price on the contract. Like these contracts here, anytime, like Amazon is so expensive in terms of the options contracts. Even the stock is expensive too. But that $32.90 that I was in, that I was able to get in at $400, that was a discount. Typically on a Monday or Tuesday, these contracts are in the thousands. So I probably would have had to lay maybe $800 or $1,000 to get into this contract. So I saw that as an opportunity, and it panned out. That's why I was willing to risk $400, which is typically over what I'll risk on a trade. But again, Amazon, Google, Tesla, these stocks, when you get it right, it'll pay off. So this trade actually worked, and it's still going down. Right now it's it hit a high of 1160. It's at 1,000. I got out over $800. So let's look at the Intel. So my only trade is Intel. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna get in on that. Google's giving the formation too, but I don't like that. It's already in like a topping phase. The volume is weak on this. Look how weak this volume is. Well, on the put side, this is one of those stocks that Coinbase might take its place if it don't shape up in terms of volume. I'll kick it off my list and replace it which already added Coinbase, but options won't be traded on Coinbase until maybe 2 weeks from now, maybe a week from now. So I'm looking forward to that. I know it's going to be heavily traded, and it's going to be linked to whatever Bitcoin does. This is Bitcoin 63,000. The only other stock that related to Bitcoin is Riot, the blockchain. I've been trading that. I had a few trades on that. It's highly volatile, and it gives us some good price movement. So let's see what's up with Intel. Yeah, I'm going in on Intel. It's at 64.12. I'm looking at that 64.50. About 2 contracts on that. So I'm in Intel. Excuse me. And let me see if I'm missing anything. I don't really care. This A, B, and B, I'm gonna pass on that. I don't like this formation here. And the market, you can be selective at what trades to take. Well, at least I can. Every trade ain't gonna be a winner. Every trade ain't gonna be a loser. But yeah, the AMD, I don't like that neither. AMD, Intel, MU are all giving buy signals. I definitely don't like this MU buy signal because it gave me these sell signals earlier in the week, which I should have taken. I don't know how I missed that. So I'm still in the SNDL. That is a loser, even though the 2-day is giving a buy signal. I'm in the $1 contract, so it very well could go back up. But right now I'm down. I'm down almost $70. I'm in the risk was $70, and I'm down. It's at 69. So this trade is probably a loser. And there's another trade that I didn't do. GameStop. Look at this buy signal. And look what it did today. The options are so expensive. I would have gotten into the maybe 200 strike. Look what it did. 166 yesterday. It's at 430 now, but it hit $1,000. I didn't take the trade because it's GameStop. I mean, but I had that signal but didn't take it. So again, 3 out of 3 for the trades yesterday. Just got in Intel. I'm in the 64.50. It's at 64.22, so it doesn't have to move much. I may, being it is close to the expiration, I got until Friday for the move to happen. If it happens tomorrow, I could double up, maybe make 200% on it. And may have some expiration trades for Friday. So let me I have to update this until for the Intel. Where's my Intel at? Got $100 at risk on Intel with 2 contracts. See if we can double up and maybe make 200% on that. And for today, my P&L. Put these. Just, I'm gonna update this, but that's, Intel is my play for today. Make that better. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for listening, guys. I'm gonna make this one short today, so I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.